Hi, in this video we will learn how the wrap text function works in Excel. As you can see, I have a long text written in a single cell and it is overlapping into the next cells. Now, if I write something in the adjacent cell, the text in the first cell is no longer visible, which can make the data look messy and hard to read. To display all the text cleanly and clearly inside one cell, we use the wrap text feature. First, select the cell that contains the long text. Now go to the Home tab and in the Alignment section, click on Wrap Text. Excel will automatically adjust the cell and wrap the text into multiple lines within the same cell, instead of letting it overflow into other cells. You can also manually adjust the row height by dragging the row boundary downward if you want more space. Additionally, you can change the vertical and horizontal alignment to make the text look even better. This feature is very useful when working with long descriptions, notes, or comments in Excel. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos.